Hey there, and welcome to CooptyLew Art and Tarot. I got a package, an international package in the mail, and I have so many pre-orders that I don't know what it is, so I figured I'd just open it for you. So here we go. What could it be? What could it be? It's definitely a tarot deck. That's all I ordered. Ooh. All right, it's not a tarot deck. These are Intuiti creative cards. And the back says, it helps you find new ideas, cure blank page syndrome, and get inspired. Each card is designed using the principles of Gestalt psychology and based upon the classical tarot archetypes. All right. It contains 78 cards and tales and the guide for creative readings. Let's get to it. I'm excited. I've had a bit of a blank canvas lately for sure. How many cards? 78 cards. So it is sort of like a tarot deck, but it's not quite a tarot deck. So here's the backs. And then it does have some kind of the tarot symbology. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Here for the 9, yes, we have the flame of the lamp for the hermit. So inquiring minds want to know. Then for the 10, the wheel, we have the kind of like the water cycle happening. And for the emperor, we have like a chess piece. For the chariot, there was like the black and the white of the horses that he pulls. So yeah, a little bit maybe. I'm excited to use it, try it out. That was temperance, I believe. Yes, so yes. It does have some of the symbology from the tarot. This is the moon card. The sun. So Intuiti, I can't say it. Let's look at the guidebook. So let's check it out for one of the cards that we tried. Let's do the wheel. All right, for the wheel it said, he reaches land on a small boat dressed with a worn tunic. He feels that he has been a merchant, though now he is an apprentice carpenter. In the space of a year, he becomes the greatest joiner in the village, rich and respected by everyone. Then he takes off his expensive clothes. He wears the old tunic that he has kept, and he puts out to sea on a small boat. When he reaches land, he fells. It's written by somebody who's not English proficient. It's just hard to read. That he has been a carpenter, though now he is only an apprentice painter. spin the wheel. So, interesting. My dog is going crazy. I have to go. Out. Late.